Hello everyone. Hope you're doing fine today in your homes. So the topic of today's story is The Myth Called Money by Saif. What's money? The question came up all of a sudden in the middle of a conversation in a cafeteria between two gentlemen. Considering the odd timing for a cup of coffee, the anomaly of the question seemed somehow right. And the question was not a rhetorical one, seeing the seriousness of the two gentlemen. By their appearance, both of them looked very accomplished in their respective profession, or maybe they work for the same company. Now, getting back at the conversation that followed after this question. The gentleman who asked the question in the first place said, what exactly is money apart from the technical definition in economics? The other gentleman seemed to be a little surprised with a sense of fear, like the question asked wasn't something supposed to be discussed, even when it's a very apparent and valid question to be asked in our daily life. But after a moment of contemplation, he replied, money is something that helps us in making our lives easier. The more you have, the better, and easier lives would be. So, you mean our lives depend on money? If we don't have money, we can't have good lives? Yes, maybe it appears so, seeing the current situation of our lives. But aren't we the ones who made it? Wasn't it our invention? And if we did invent it, then how can our invention get the power to decide how our life would be? There seemed to be no end of the questions of the first gentleman. The other one got startled by this series of questions. Maybe the realization that the reason behind these questions can never be falsified nor justified with the means available. But then he replied, yes, that's also there. But every invention has its advantages and disadvantages. Money also isn't free of them. But the thought I want clarity on is that we are becoming addicted to our own creation and thus have started believing that our very own existence is dependent on money. The first gentleman said in a very convincing tone. We don't know that how this conversation would have ended, but the fact that this kind of thoughts doesn't come to us has made one clear point. Maybe we are becoming the slaves of our own invention named money. We value it happiness, joy, peace, success in monetary terms which are purely psychological in nature. We created these values, but now we are endlessly running in a race to achieve. We don't know what. If we are the most intelligent being on the face of this earth, then doesn't it make us the most sensible ones as well? Maybe it's time to rethink and have more conversations like this to make us realize that there might be something that is far superior than just material gains. The end.